Welcome back to another video of car maintenance tips in 60 seconds. Today, we're going to be taking a look at a crucial car maintenance task. Today, we're going to be changing the car's cabin air filter. So grab your tools and let's get going. Actually, you probably don't need any tools, so let's get going. All right, now you see these vents over here? These are like your car's nostrils. And just like you clean your nose, your car needs a clean nose too. Ew, look at that. This is disgusting. But fear not, because I'm here to save the day with this brand new cabin air filter. So we'll just make sure to pop the new one in, facing the same way of course. And that's it. Easier than pie. No rocket science here, folks. And that's it. Changing your car's cabin filter in under 60 seconds. Your car will thank you for breathing easy, and you'll thank yourself when you're not sneezing up a storm. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you in the next one.